So one cool thing about making videos is when you go and you play them back and listen to what you said, you realize when you made mistakes and when you didn't say something you're supposed to say or explain something you're supposed to explain. And in the first two videos I made, I didn't really explain what the build tab does and what all the build icons are. So I'm going to quickly explain what those are before we move on. So when you are navigating in Weebly, you can click on any page. So this is exactly what people would see if they were on the internet. And so you can click on any page just like you would if this were an actual website, or you can go to pages and click on the different pages that you have. So whatever page you're on, so though I'm on the home page right now, if I want to change stuff, obviously we can delete stuff like we did before, or we can add stuff to it. So on the left hand side of the page, when you have the build tab open, these are all the things you can add. So you could add a title or text. So whatever you want to do, you just click it, drag it, and drop it where you want it. And then for something like a title or a text, when you're ready, you can just click on it and type whatever it is that you want to type. And then obviously you can delete it if you don't want it. But there's a lot of different things you can add from the build page. Title and text and images. So this is a single image or multiple images you can use with a slideshow or a gallery. Something else that I've used the contact form before. You can basically make a questionnaire, so you can change it to whatever you want. You can have them put their name, their email, and then maybe have like a question that they need to answer, and then this will be submitted right to your email. So I'm going to get rid of that. And I will be using YouTube later. I'm going to be embedding YouTube videos. So the YouTube tab, you just bring it over, and then all you need is the website address that the YouTube video is found on. So that one's really easy. And then file is something that I also use. When you click and drag the file over, just click on it, upload file, and then you find a file from your computer that you want people to be able to download from your website. So that one's really useful. There's a lot of stuff on here that I've never even tried before. The structure things are nice for laying out your website exactly the way you want it. Embed codes are, if you find an app online that lets you embed it somewhere else, you can just click this and copy and paste the embed code here, and it'll just show up on your website. So there's a lot of different things you can do. The title and text will probably get you the farthest, but start playing around with stuff and see what you like.